drips coffee. All right, well, here we are again. I got this instruction for this coffee drip thing, a funnel. Anyway, I had this weird idea of doing this rustic industrial steel pipe, wooden. Well, it broke. You can see the screws barely coming up. It got warped, busted, and I just got exactly what was on there. It also called for this. Then it doesn't touch, and then you get metal drippings in your coffee. Blech. So it's been sitting in the garage for a while. It's super dirty. Crystal clear. Not much to it. You just put the filter of the coffee in, and it's a drip coffee. Okay, it drips coffee. Yeah, this thing's kind of. I don't even think I cleaned it with piece. If I can just trim those off, right? It can just get in here. If I just sand those. Yeah, in about 21 hours, we're going to have some delicious drip. You can see I've used it a little bit. Got little coffee stains. That was probably the one with the lead in it. Or machining oil. Water is so good for metal. You don't even have to weld it because it'll just rust up and weld for you. Hey, why not? Hey, why not? This thing is kind of warped. I mean. It's not even really coming off. What is this? Is this just water? It's got a little soap in it. Come on, man. We have to put this baby in the washing machine. It's got some built WD-40 on fix. Old bale and wire. I mean, look at that. Good as used. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Okay. Need some brake cleaner. I don't have any brake cleaner. I have wasp spray. Think that'll work? It's probably got alcohol in it. The wasps don't seem to like it. I don't know why they give me those size screws. I just screwed it together. I didn't even. I'm sure it's my fault. Anyway, I'll hack those off. It's too tall anyway, bro. It's just too tall. Man. That looks a little better. Golly, still got the markings on there. You could use that on your conduit. Probably use that. Probably use that. See, I think they make a smaller little piece with like just 2 or 3 threads. Boop. That's probably the one I need. Anywho's, just cut those off. What are your thoughts on that? Okay. Oh, it doesn't go wide enough. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. I'm gonna get out my darndest favoriteest tool, the Aussie. I think it's Australian. Yikes. 120. 80. 122, 20. Settle. Hang on, partner. Oh! Perfect. Okay. Do, 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 do. Just give it a nice little buff. Nice little sand. Sandy. Perfect. Get out of there. All right. Now, this guy goes on. Boom. Ew. Ow. I should shave. I should really shave. Get out of there. Out. Oops. Protruding just a bit, just a touch. Okay. No! Oh, for Pete's sake. Ooh, yeah. Looking all right, I guess. Good enough. That's a good enough, boy. Living on. Hard to grip it when it's this small. Perfectly sharpened. Oh, I guess I could have done this the first time. Hey, perfectly sharpened. I'll cut that out. Yep. Now I need to get some oil on here. All right, here we go. Let's put this puppy together. And then we'll put some oil on it. Shablam. She bangs, she bangs. Let's make a cup of coffee, my guys. Yeah. Ooh, coffee. Tongue oil. All right, put a little tongue oil in this belly. Is it gonna just come? Yeah, boy. I'll tell you what. Oh, work it in. Oh yeah, work it in. Tongue oil on this baby. Protection. The game's overrated. Yeah, that's it. Let it soak in, boys. Oh boy. Oh, that smell is gonna be strong. Oh, splatter, splatter. I'm ready for a cup of coffee, my dudes. Rolling like a big shot. Coffee. Let's go. Out of here. All right. Remember our little buddy? Yeah. Crystal clear with a little water spot. That's how you know it's clean. It's water spot clean. And you know, because it's 100 degrees outside in August, we had to get the pumpkin spicy. Can't really see that, but okay. We got filter in. Okay, my mug that my sweet girl got me. Oh yeah, sweet girl. Let's see what we got here. All right, we want to wet. I want to wet it. Oh yeah. Oh, it just goes everywhere. Put in about that much. Get rid of this water. Perfect. Throw it on the garage floor. And we gotta let it bloom. Oh, son of a. Let the coffee bloom. Oh yeah, boys. Hey, it actually made it in the cup. Little splatter. Little splatter. Oh, it does smell really good. Get in there. Ah! Oh, that's good. A little splatter. A little mess here and there. Keep it contained. You gotta keep it contained. It used to be so tall that it was touching it, and you got a little lead in there. Hey, 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 hey! Whoa! What are you doing there? Take it easy. Look at this guy. I mean, what the? Okay, well, we're getting there. Let's do a little more. Hey, 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 bro. Needs to be up higher. Yeah, let it splatter. It adds to the aroma. Yeah, yeah. If you guys want to scratch your screen, you can smell the pumpkin spice. Oh, that's good. Scratchy sniff. A little scratchy sniff. I think that might be a good cup here. Okay. Stop. It needs to be up here, bro. I don't know how we're gonna do that. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty good. It works at least.